So, guys, welcome to artificial intelligence, AI, Star Trek style. We all love it. We all know it in Star Trek's future, in our future, hopefully, that Gene Roddenberry launched so long ago, but yet it's still so sort of current and timely, isn't it? Artificial intelligence, certainly computer intelligence, supercomputer intelligence, is what powers the Starship Enterprise, the tricorders, the pads, and then of course Deep Space Nine, the holodeck, and all these different tech toys, these wonderful tech toys. But I was thinking the other day, we all keep speaking of artificial intelligence, and there's levels or degrees. Now, just artificial intelligence is looked upon as what we have now. Chat GPT, Gemini, Apple AI. These are artificial intelligence. They're called LLMs, or large language models. Basically, humongous databases where they feed in millions and millions of books and movies and TV shows. In fact, some people are suing them because of that. I know the comedian Sarah Silverman is suing because I guess they put her comedian, her comic sets, or maybe specials or TV shows, whatever. I think Tom Clancy's estate is suing too. But the bottom line is that the LLMs, the large language models, are basically big, kind of beautiful databases. They don't truly have true intelligence. That will come later, hopefully, or maybe not so hopefully. So right now we have generative intelligence, or generative AI. Later one day we might have artificial general intelligence, which is just fancier way of saying human intelligence, or even superhuman intelligence. That would be sort of like, say, a HAL, the HAL 9000 in 2001: A Space Odyssey, or say like Star Trek's Data or the Enterprise computer. But this is the distinction, and the way I like to sort of, in my own mind, generalize it and keep it sorted. And I sort it out by saying that the computer, Star Trek's Enterprise computer, is like an LLM. It's sort of artificial intelligence, generative. It's not super intelligence like us. It's not human intelligence. And then we have Data. And although it could be argued that he's not truly AGI, artificial general intelligence, he comes very close. And of course, there's that famous episode, Measure of a Man, where he's proven to be sentient, which is separate from true intelligence or artificial general intelligence, but it comes close. Sentience means more emotions, feelings, the sensory input, the way you feel and experience. But the bottom line to me is that when we look at artificial intelligence today, the way, again, I keep track of it, and I sort it out in a Star Trek, in a science fiction way. I look at the Enterprise computer, which is super, super fast and smart, but it's not truly intelligent. And then I look at Data, or some of the other, say, androids and supercomputers we've encountered in our Star Trek adventures, and that is much closer to the AGI, the artificial general intelligence, that, again, hopefully, or not so hopefully, because some people are scared it's going to sort of take over or destroy our world, or certainly change our culture. I think, if anything, the risk of us dealing with a true AGI, a true human superintelligence, is that it could take chances and decide things that are not great for our world, perhaps. I don't think it's going to be rampaging and, sort of like a Terminator and Matrix, but who knows, right? So, what do you think? This is the way I, again, keep track, sort of, out, and the way I think of it in a science fiction Star Trek term. I look at the Enterprise computer, say Starfleet Federation computers, which are not, truly intelligent or human intelligence. And then I look at Data, and even though he could still be termed to be not truly human intelligence, it's so close, there's really like kind of like no difference. And he was proven in Measure of a Man to be sentient. And then, of course, he got his emotion chip. And then, of course, the Borg Queen wanted him. So we know that Data is as close to us, or a human intelligence, as we can, come up with in science fiction and Star Trek. So, what do you think? Give us your thoughts. It's an important subject because we keep talking about artificial intelligence. I work with it each day usually. I use research. I'm always using ChatGPT or Gemini. So, and I think most of us either use it on a regular basis or enough to say this is now part of our life. So, what do you think? Give us your thoughts. Hope you're subscribing. Hope you're enjoying. See you soon.